In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Smartsheet questionnaire efficiently and effectively. Creating a Smartsheet questionnaire can streamline your data collection process, providing you and your team with organized, actionable insights. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process to set up your very own questionnaire within Smartsheet. First things first, you'll need to log into your Smartsheet account. Once you're signed in, look for the plus button located on your screen. Clicking this will prompt you to create a new sheet. Smartsheet offers a variety of templates to choose from, which can be quite helpful if you're looking to hit the ground running with a pre-designed format. However, if you prefer tailoring everything from scratch, starting with a blank sheet to customize it according to your specific needs is equally effective. Now, give your new sheet a descriptive name that makes it quickly identifiable. For instance, if you're gathering opinions from customers, you might name it Customer Feedback Questionnaire. Naming it appropriately sets the context and makes it easier for you and your team members to navigate later. Once your sheet is ready, the next step is setting up columns for each question you intend to include in your questionnaire. Each column will represent a different question. Begin by adding a new column for each question. As you create them, label each column with the corresponding question text. This clear labeling is essential as it helps maintain the questionnaires' organization and ensures that responses are easily matched to the correct questions when reviewing the data. As you add columns, you have the option to choose the column type based on the kind of response you expect for each question. Smartsheet provides various column types, like text, number, drop-down list, or checkbox, to accommodate different response formats. For instance, if you're asking for open-ended feedback, a text number column would be appropriate. Alternatively, if you are collecting specific categorical data, you might prefer a drop-down list. Meanwhile, a checkbox is ideal for simple yes or no queries. These choices help ensure that the data you collect is consistent and easy to interpret. Properly configuring your columns not only enhances readability, but also streamlines data analysis down the line. For an optimal result, make sure to review your questions to verify that each is concise and straightforward. This clarity is crucial as it prevents any potential confusion for respondents, ultimately promoting higher quality feedback. And there you have it. With these steps, you've set the foundation for a solid Smartsheet questionnaire. Be sure to continuously revise and test your questionnaire to achieve the best results. This tool is immensely flexible and versatile, making it an ideal choice for gathering all sorts of data seamlessly. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.